Open your browser and search for SurakshitRide.com. This is the website of Surakshit Ride. Feel free to explore it. How to buy the product from our website? Go to Products page. Search for the template that you want to buy and add it to the cart. Also, you can have a customized sticker. Go to Customize Sticker. Select the image you want to see in your sticker. Change the ring and text colors as you want. You can also change the place of the QR code. Now add it to the cart. Go to Cart section, click Proceed to Checkout. Fill your details. Make sure email and mobile number should be perfect. Select the vehicle type that you want the sticker for. Check your details before proceeding to pay. Check box the terms and conditions. Before checking it, please go through it. Now pay using Payment tab. Hooray! You're all set now. Your order placed. Download your invoice. Track your order by entering your ordered phone number.